Hi guys, if you're getting an error like this site cannot be reached, in this video I'll show you the quick way how to fix it. So the first step is that you need to uncheck IPv6 and you need to change the Google DNS address. For that I will go in the search bar and I will type view network connections under control panel, and I will click this particular option, and then I will go to my internet option, Wi-Fi option. This is my Wi-Fi connection, so it is connected. I'm going to right click and I will go to the properties, and after that I will look for IPv6. Where is IPv6? This I'm going to uncheck this particular option, and then after that the second thing that I need to do is I need to change the Google DNS address. For that, I will just uncheck IPv4, this Internet Protocol version 4, and then I will check this option again, and then I will click Properties. After that, I will click this option, use the following DNS address, and then I will just provide the IP 8.8.8.8 and then 8 dot 8 dot 8 dot uh, 4 dot 4 and 4, and then I will click OK and close. After that, I will restart my computer and I will check if the error is fixed or not. If it is not fixed, I will go to my second step, which is restart network stack. So for that, I will open the command prompt and I will run as admin. Just click yes, and after that I will execute these commands. So the first command is this one. All I need to do is just copy and paste. So I'm going to provide these commands in the below description. All you need to do is just copy and paste. Press enter. Okay, after that I will execute the second command. Just quickly copy and paste the command over here in the command prompt, enter, and then third step, this is the third command, and just enter. And after that I will execute my final command. Just copy and paste it over here. We are done. So if the issue is still not fixed after executing all these commands, what I can do next is to reset my network connection. For that, I will go in the search bar and I will type network reset. Just type network reset, go to network reset, and I will click reset now. After this, my computer will be restarted. Okay, so after this step, I hope the issue will be resolved. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.